Welcome to 8.5, day 1, angles of elevation and depression. One thing that you're going to need to keep in mind talking about angles of elevation and depression is think about your line of sight and how your head moves. A lot of people get real confused with this. So for an angle of depression, you have to think about first you are looking straight ahead. First you're looking straight ahead, and then you look down. The angle of depression is that movement of your head moving down. A lot of people will oftentimes associate it with um, this angle here is from straight down and up, and that's not how that works. So it is always the angle within the movement of your head. So you're looking straight out and you look down. How much your head moves is the angle of depression. When you're talking about, I kind of like that there. Put it back. When you're talking about angle of elevation, it's similar. You're starting looking straight ahead, and then how much your head moves up. That movement is the angle of elevation. So from straight ahead to looking directly up is the amount your head moves, and that movement is your angle of elevation. So you've got to be real careful with where you place your angles as we are talking about these word problems. You're going to have to illustrate a little bit. So again, angle of depression, you're looking straight ahead and how much your head moves downward. Elevation, you're looking straight ahead and how much your head moves or rotates to look up. So looking at this example, we're going to identify which ones are angles of elevation, which ones are angles of depression, and which ones are not anything. So looking at angle 1 starts looking out straight ahead and then rotates up. So that would be an angle of elevation. Angle 2 shows us looking straight ahead, or the bird looking straight behind it, and then looking down. That space would be an angle of depression. Angle 3 looks straight ahead and then looks down. That is an angle of depression. And angle 4 looks straight ahead, then looks up, is an angle of elevation. Now looking at angle 5, we didn't really talk about angle 5, but angle 5 has a straight down line, like up against this tower, and then out to the boat. It does not have a straight across view and then movement, so it is neither. So you've got to be real careful with that. A lot of people will assume it's like the angle up against a wall or straight down, something like that. It is not. So let's look at another example of that. We have angle A. So angle A from the kite looking straight out and then looking down would be depression. Angle B is up against this line K and JH. There is no straight line looking straight out, so it is neither. And angle C, you've got the straight line at the bottom and then it's moving up, so that is elevation.